Understanding out of the equation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that might sound a bit mathematical at first, but it's actually a very common expression in everyday English, out of the equation. Stick around as we break down what it means, how to use it, and give you some examples to help you master it. The phrase, out of the equation, is a metaphorical expression derived from mathematics. In math, an equation is a statement that asserts the equality of two expressions. However, when we use this phrase in everyday English, we're not talking about numbers or algebra. Instead, we're saying that something or someone is no longer considered a part of a situation, discussion, or calculation. It implies that the element being referred to is irrelevant or not influencing the outcome anymore. Using out of the equation is quite straightforward. It's often used to simplify situations by removing complex or unnecessary elements. Here are some ways to incorporate it into your speech. 1. To emphasize exclusion. When you want to stress that something should not be considered as part of the decision-making process. 2. To highlight a change. When a factor previously considered important is no longer relevant. 3. To simplify explanations. When removing certain details makes it easier to understand a situation. To help you better understand how to use out of the equation, let's go through a few examples. 1. In decision-making. When planning our vacation, we had to take the budget out of the equation to decide purely based on what we wanted to do. 2. In relationships. Now that jealousy is out of the equation, their relationship has improved significantly. 3. In problem-solving. By automating the process, we can take human error out of the equation, making it more efficient. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, out of the equation, with confidence. It's a great way to express the removal or relevance of a factor in various contexts. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so try using this phrase in your conversations or writing. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.